Hey, what's up, everyone, and welcome to Go SaaS Lounge. In today's video, this is a series of videos on how to start an AI agency. Pretty straightforward. So, without further ado, let's start. I'm going to show you how to profit big from one of the most underrated tools in digital marketing right now, GoHighLevel. If you're not familiar with GoHighLevel, it's a all-in-one SaaS platform that is packed with uh, a lot of features that I'm honestly surprised because most people aren't even paying attention to this software. So today you're gonna learn more about it. Whether you're a agency owner, freelancer, or someone looking for a smart income stream, this video is for you. All right. So first thing first, please scroll down in this video. Um, all right, sorry. Yeah, scroll down in this video. You're going to go to the description more and please look for activate your free trial now. So you're going to click here. You're gonna click the link and it's going to take you to this landing page, which by the way, you are more than welcome to go through our website. And this website was built on GoHighLevel. All right. GoHighLevel has a pretty intuitive website builder. And let me tell you, I'm not even a website designer, and this website is pretty neat. All right. This is an example of what you can achieve on GoHighLevel and sell websites, to other clients. All right. So next, you're going to click this, start your free trial now. Make sure you put your real information. All right. Please put your real data. I'm going to use test data right now for purposes of this video. So, but it's very important, right? So it's very important for you to put your right information so you can get your trial for free. All right, we're gonna click get the free trial, and after that, we're gonna be landing into GoHighLevel official website where you're gonna sign up for a 30 days free trial. And you're not just going to get the free trial for the software, you're actually getting a free live bootcamp as well. So you're gonna be working with GoHighLevel experts, and they will go walking you through all the features, all the everything that the platform has to offer, so you can resell it to local businesses. So you'll get the 5-day reviews challenge, the SaaSpreneur playbook, high-level snapshots and funnels ready to go, ready to pretty much start selling, rebranding. Sorry. So yeah, it's amazing. So make sure before to proceed, make sure you to sign up for your 30-day trial. And also as a personal tip, once you signed up for your 30-day free trial, make sure to uh, set a notification for you in the next 28 days, 28 or 29 days, so you can come back. And if you didn't like it, which I'm pretty sure you will like it, but if you didn't like it, you can just cancel. So put a self note on your calendar 28 days from now. But again, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it. You're going to love this. So GoHighLevel allows you to launch your own white label SaaS business. And yes, even if you have zero tech experience. All right. Today we are going to be looking at the CRM and lead nurturing tools that GoHighLevel has. Businesses, this is a pretty frequent pain point for businesses. They lose leads because they don't follow up. The human factor to follow up with leads is very, very low. So with GoHighLevel, you can automate follow-ups with email, text, and even voicemail drops. Your client gets more bookings and you get to charge for a system that runs on autopilot. So you're pretty much selling this system, the GoHighLevel system, to your clients. They pay you your fees and you keep the profit 100%. All right. And the beauty is that you can you can white label GoHighLevel. Let's see. So this is our GoHighLevel software, back software. As you can see, we are setting our logo here. It's optional. You can leave the GoHighLevel logo if you want, and your client doesn't notice. So let's go to automations, because we want to, right now what we are going to do is a follow up automation workflow. All right, we are going to start from scratch. All right, I have multiple folders here. You can create multiple folder by clicking this button. I have a text one, a test folder for these video purposes. All right, so I'm gonna create a workflow, and let's see if we can find a predefined email sequence. Prospect follow-up, this one is the one we are looking for. All right, this is pretty much what we call a sequence of emails after some action happened. All right, something triggered this. All right, so first thing first, let's see what is this. So the first thing is going to do this sequence is going to email, is going to create an email, is going to send an email to the user. All right, and then is going to wait for the user either to open it or just to continue with a different sequence. All right, so this is already built for us, and all we have to do is to add our personal touches. All right, this is an receive email drip sequence. And to try it out, I'm going to just use one of my I'm going to use my user test. All right, so I'm gonna publish, I'm gonna save, and now I'm gonna test it. Okay, test workflow. I'm gonna select my test user. Okay, awesome. I select and I'm gonna run it. And as you can see, the first thing is going to do, let me refresh this page. Sorry, my internet is running a little bit low today. All right, so after refreshing the page, as you can see, an email has been sent, and here it is, the test user waiting for two things: to open the email or to continue with waiting. All right, right now it's going to wait for 1 day. So this action is going to be waiting for 1 day, or when the email is open. One of the two conditions has to be satisfied in order to continue with this workflow. All right. Then we have an if else condition. Is the email opened? If it was open, it's going to wait for another day and send the email number 2. If it wasn't opened, what it's going to do is going to send the same email but with a different subject. And then it's not going to wait if it's open. It's just going to go ahead and wait for 1 day and send the email number 2. All right, let's see how it goes. So email 1, it was already sent. So if we go to our test email, all right, let me refresh here. And there we go. The subject goes here. I mean, remember, this is just a testing email. All right. I just got this email out autopilot. I didn't have to move a finger, other than obviously I'm testing the workflow here, but this should be working automatically because I already opened the email. This condition is going to be satisfied. All right, so I'm going to refresh the website. I'm going to refresh, and now that the email has been opened and it hasn't triggered, let me see why it hasn't triggered. Let me see. I opened the email. All right, it's opened. Probably it's taking a little bit to detect the open trigger that I already opened the email. Okay, let's wait for a second. All right, so the trigger has detected that the email has been opened. So it will continue with the flow, it will get to the if else condition and it will check if the email was opened. Yes, so it's going to wait for 1 day to send the second email, all right? And this will go, uh, and it will continue, email 2 is going to wait for 1 day or until the email number 2 is opened. If it's open, then it will go ahead with the email 3. If the email number 2 wasn't opened, in this case is no, then it's going to send the second email with the new subject, just to try to catch the attention of the lead. And that way it could be automatically as much as we want. The sky is the limit. So this is just an example of what GoHighLevel can provide to follow up. And in the next video, I'm going to show how to actually create a form, where the user subscribes or they opt in to receive newsletter, and it will trigger this email drip sequence. All right. Conclusion. GoHighLevel, you're not just reselling software, you're helping businesses grow. At the same time, you are building your own monthly recurrent revenue stream. If you like this video, please click on the link below to like it, subscribe, and also click on the bell so you get notifications of new videos. And see you on the next one.